Hi guys, it's me, and you know, every once in a while I find the creme de la creme of products that I'm obsessed with, and because I'm obsessed with it, I'm gonna share it with you and give you a breakdown of what it's all about. I'm talking about Dermaflash, people! Okay, so the Dermaflash looks like this. Okay, it comes with a cartridge of razors. Don't get scared, people. I know that razors sounds really scary, but it's not scary, okay? Here's the thing. We all have like nape hair, peach fuzz, lady beard, call it what you will, but we all got it. So for makeup to look perfect, it's important to have a smooth, textured face before we put anything on it. I'm gonna break it down how you use this Dermaflash, and I promise you if you get it, and I make no money by selling this to you, if you get it, you will thank me, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna use the cleanser. It's called the PREFLASH cleanser that it comes with. And it's a nice little like soapy little cleanser. So if you have a sink, great, use that for your sink. If you're doing it on somebody, like if you're a makeup artist and you're doing it on somebody, you can take wet little cotton and you can put it on like this and then take it off with wet little cotton. Wet little cotton, wet little cotton. Oh, feels good. You wait till it dries and then you're ready to shave your beard. No. Exfoliate. It's actually exfoliating your skin and getting rid of any extra vellus hair. Now, I know that a lot of you are like, oh my God, but I'm gonna get a beard. It's gonna grow in thicker. It doesn't. I've been doing this for months now and it doesn't grow in thicker. It grows in exactly how it was before. Now I can't live without it. Women, your hair on your face is vellus hair. It's very thin and thinly and not very aggressive. So this isn't for the mans, this is for the womans. So now that we're pre-flash cleanse, we're gonna take the Dermaflash and we're gonna take this, and you're gonna just stick it in here like that. This is how you eject it. Right here in the front, you eject it. So, and then back here, you have 2 speeds. Can you hear it? That's for the Dermaflash, guys. Don't get any ideas. Okay, so then you're just gonna literally turn it on. You can put it on the first speed or the second speed, and you're gonna go downwards. And you're exfoliating and taking any peach fuzz. Let's see if I have any peach fuzz to show you. There's a little peach fuzz. Oh, and then it's just smooth and delicious. And you can do it like anywhere you want. Be careful when you're around your eyebrows because it can take off an eyebrow. Now, because I do this every week, my skin is super smooth. It's kind of like when you shave your legs. You know when you shave your legs and they feel like perfect, like delicious? That's what this is like for your face. And you can do it like anywhere you want. Like if you have a hairy nose or a chinny chin chin, I always take it here. Now, you don't want to use it on your body. You just use it on your face and your neck, and that's it. So if you have any of these like witch hairs, I have a lot of like witch whiskers as I get older. You can see there's like a little bit of hair, but if this was like my first time or I hadn't done it in a while, I could knit a sweater with all of the vellus hair that comes off. And now it's super smooth, super easy to do. That's it, guys. It's not a big deal. I've even gone here and taken some hair before, and then after you use the POSTFLASH moisturizer, like so. I'll just use a little for you guys. Just a little dab will do ya. Place it all over. Oh. Voila, and then you're ready for makeup. So the only reason I'm telling you about this is, again, I just think it's one of those things that even if you don't wear a lot of makeup, it's something that's great for your skin, because we all have this nape. Some is heavier than others, but it's great. You exfoliate, your skin looks better, your texture of your skin is better, and it's just all around great to exfoliate and get rid of dead skin cells. I love it. I can't say enough about this. I asked them if they'd give you guys a code. This is my gift to you, Jamie20. You'll thank me later. If you have any questions, you can DM, hit me up on the YouTube, comment below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of it, and we'll see you next week. Bye!